Our dashboards were chaos, numbers screaming without a story. Clients stared blankly at ugly charts, trust evaporating fast. Deadlines loomed, presentations collapsed, the team muttered curses. I blamed spreadsheets, blamed designers, blamed luck, blamed everything. Then a headline screamed, "Embed charts ruined our SEO." Traffic dipped, articles lost credibility, clicks became whispers. We tried plugins, hacks, clumsy iframes, and awkward images. Each attempt felt louder, more embarrassing, more hopeless. My boss demanded solutions, eyes burned with impatience. I imagined readers leaving, competitors stealing our data audiences. We hired freelancers who produced pretty pictures, zero insight. Designs looked nice, but numbers refused to speak clearly. Data live? Ha. Spreadsheets became static tombstones everywhere. Embedding broke layouts, mobile users got a blank screen. Exporting charts? It was manual torture, hours wasted. We whispered about switching platforms, abandoned hope, stayed. A mysterious demo invite arrived at midnight, oddly hopeful. I expected another gimmick, another slow onboarding nightmare. But the demo began with one sentence: instant charts, drag, drop, sync, words that sounded dangerously simple. I scoffed. Simple often hides terrible compromises, right? They showed a spreadsheet, then a chart, then magic. Google Sheets synced in real time. Numbers breathed instantly. Templates adjusted, colors matched our brand, embeds responded perfectly. No developers, no delays, just a slick drag-and-drop UI. My skepticism trembled, curiosity flared. I asked questions. They said instant embeds, interactive charts, SEO-friendly code. Real-time data integrations meant dashboards updated without heroic effort. Auto recommendations suggested the best visualizations for messy data. It felt too good. My mind plotted escape routes. But then our first embed published, silence shattered like glass. Readers stopped scrolling to stare at the data story. Click-throughs spiked. Colleagues hugged awkwardly in the hallway. Reports that took hours collapsed into 10-minute rituals. We exported polished charts, embedded effortlessly across sites and docs. Collaborators edited together. Version chaos became collaborative harmony suddenly. Sales dashboards refreshed with live e-commerce data. Money watched. SEO improved. Search engines finally read our charts with interest. Analytics showed engagement rising like a phoenix from ashes. Designers sighed with relief. Analysts danced with new insights. We automated reports, scheduled syncs. Weekends stopped haunting us. Every chart carried our brand, crisp and unmistakably ours. Journalists loved embeddable, interactive visuals that told clean narratives. Numbers stopped being intimidating. They became captivating, persuasive evidence. It wasn't magic, it was smart tooling, beautifully executed. Dashboards built in minutes, reports delivered with confident authority. Embeds responsive on mobile, desktop, every awkward browser finally tamed. Our content got featured. Traffic returns like loyal descendants. Marketing ran campaigns with clear KPIs and readable visuals. Product managers monitored trends without pleading for exports anymore. Analysts shaved hours from workflows, sanity returned to meetings. Collaboration became fast. Feedback folded into visual iterations smoothly. Export to presentations looked professional. Clients nodded. Trust rebuilt. E-commerce merchants tracked sales trends live. Promotions adjusted instantly. Automated templates highlighted trends, removing guesswork from reports. We reclaimed weekends, launched campaigns, and finally slept. Engagement metrics turned into boardroom applause and winning charts. The team celebrated small wins that multiplied into growth. Reports smelled less like panic, more like confident storytelling. In short, data stopped being a burden, became a weapon. And the twist? This power started from a simple sign-up. Meet InstaCharts, the publisher-focused charting platform we desperately needed. Instantly create charts from spreadsheets, JSON, Google Sheets, and more. Drag-and-drop builder, automated templates, brandable embeds, pure relief. Share and embed visualizations across sites, documents, presentations effortlessly. Real-time sync with Google Drive and e-commerce data included. Discover the best deal for InstaCharts today on AppSumo. Limited time savings make switching feel like stealing success. Click the link, grab the AppSumo deal before it's gone. Try InstaCharts, embed responsive charts, watch your stories score higher. No more static screenshots. Give readers interactive reasons to stay. Analysts, marketers, product managers. This tool rewrites your workflow. We turned chaos into clarity. You can too, starting today. Act now. Claim the AppSumo InstaCharts offer. Transform reporting. I recommend InstaCharts. Click, try, and watch results unfold.